Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to Motoramblings.
Hey there, Walt from Walt in PA here, coming to you from Southeast Pennsylvania, and you're watching Motoramblings.
It is an absolutely incredible Sunday late afternoon. I'm heading out on Copper, my 2012 Vstrom DL650. And today I am going to go take a ride and try to find some dirt roads that I've been on some, but not all. I saw a post on Facebook. A guy was asking about some roads near me, and it's a dirt road loop that he had heard about at some point. That guy ran the red light. And he was curious to see how much of it was open and how the road conditions were, that kind of thing. And I thought, hey, that sounds like a really cool little loop. So I was going to give it a try. Now, it's taken me a few days between work, doctor's appointments, and rain. I haven't been able to get out here. And even today, it's like 10 minutes after 4 on a Sunday. Like I said, it's absolutely gorgeous weather. Oh my God, it's just perfect. Like I said, 69 degrees, barely any clouds at all anywhere. Great blue sky. Oh, it just feels great. Heck, I may even have to put on my liner underneath my high-vis jacket that I got on. I would have gotten out earlier, but we had our grandson overnight and into the day today. And it kind of brought me to the point of this particular vlog. I feel bad. I feel guilty that I'm leaving my little 2-year-old grandson there. Of course, my wife's got no problem with it. Do what you need to do. She loves taking care of the little guy. But, you know, sometimes I feel like I don't get to see him enough, and now here I am taking off when he's at the house. Now, I know that his mom and dad will be picking him up pretty soon. That was an old rock slide. His mom and dad will be picking him up pretty soon, but even so, I left him. You know, and got mixed feelings about that, but at the same time, I know this week I'll be working, and I'll be working 9-10 hours a day, and I probably won't get much of a chance to try to come out here and do this. So I opted, after spending last night and all day today with him, I decided, well, I'm going to head out. I mean, just like I said, just an incredible, perfect day for riding. If we hadn't had the little man, I probably would have been out on the bike and done several hundred miles. I would have had Lisa with me on the big bike, and we probably would have been just cruising. But as it stands, I'm going to take the little bike, and I'm going to go try to find me some dirt roads. But I just wondered what your thoughts were, you know. And I suppose it's all different, depends on how often you get to see your grandchild, how old your grandchildren are. Do you get to see them pretty much every day? Do you only see them once a month? You know, how does that work in your family? Do you have grandchildren? Do you have your own young children? You know, do you have your own children of any age? Do you ever feel guilty about getting on the bike and leaving? And random channel mentions, I will actually talk about Chopper Fett a little bit, because I know Chopper Fett just had another child, and I believe that makes 2 for him. That makes me so mad. And, you know, it's like, do you ever feel guilty taking off when the kids are at home? I hope not, because I believe that we all need a break. I believe we all need to do whatever it is to de-stress us. For some of us, that's riding a motorcycle. For others, that's going to play golf. Some, it's just going to work. But you need to get out and have your time. So I guess it more relates to grandchildren, because when you're a grandparent, you get to love on the kid, and it's usually very temporary, for a day, in my case, for a weekend. And, I left him today, and I'm wondering, okay, when am I going to see him again? Is it not going to be till next weekend? You just don't know sometimes. But anyway, dragging on, blah, 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 ramble, ramble, ramble. So I will sign this one off, and I will be back at another point with some more videos, hopefully from some dirt roads, and see what we can find. Before I go, I wanted to thank Walt in PA. He downloaded for me, or he sent me 4 what he calls video bumpers. I call them radio ads. Pretty much saying, hey, this is Walt in PA, and you're watching Motoramblings. Walt, I got them today. Today is Sunday, September 20th, I believe. I've downloaded them, I've looked at them, and hopefully this video you've seen one. And we'll go from here. And maybe I'll use all of them. Maybe I won't use a couple of them. I'm not sure yet. But they are definitely going to get used in videos. So thank you all. And to everybody else, I hope you can stay well, stay safe, but most of all, I hope everybody stays happy. Motor Ramblings out.